National parks in Rajasthan. Darra or Mukundra Hill National Park. This is the location of Darra or Mukundra Hills National Park. Darra National Park is located in Kota and Jhalawar district of Rajasthan. It consists of three wildlife sanctuaries: Darra Wildlife Sanctuary, Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary, and Jawahar Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. It was established in 2004. Mukundra Hills National Park is also known as Darra National Park. The word Darra is a local word which literally means pass. This national park is a pass between two parallel mountains, Mukundra and Gagrola. It was declared a national park in 2004 and was declared Tiger Reserve in 2013. Mukundra Hills National Park resides inside Mukundra Hill Tiger Reserve. The Mukundra Hills Tiger Reserve comprises three wildlife sanctuaries in it: Chambal Wildlife Sanctuary, Darra Wildlife Sanctuary, and Jawahar Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary. Kali Sindh River forms the eastern boundary, and Chambal River forms the western boundary of Mukundra Hill Wildlife Sanctuary. The Mukundra Hill National Park has very few tigers remaining in it. Desert National Park. This is the location of Desert National Park in India. Desert National Park is located in Jaisalmer and Barmer district of Rajasthan. It is one of the largest national parks in India. It was established in 1981. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1980. Desert National Park has sand dunes in the western part and rocky and gravel in the remaining park area. The Wood Fossil Park at Akal near Jaisalmer is under Desert National Park jurisdiction, and fossil evidence dating back to the Jurassic period, that is 180 million years old, have been recovered from here. The Great Indian Bustard is a native to Desert National Park, and its largest thriving population is found in Desert National Park only. Great Indian Bustard is the heaviest flying bird on the planet. The endangered oriental white-backed vulture is also found in Desert National Park. Great Indian Bustard is a state bird of Rajasthan. Chinkara is a state animal of Rajasthan. Khejri is a state tree of Rajasthan. The state flower of Rajasthan is Rohinda. The Great Indian Bustard is critically endangered under IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. The full form of IUCN is the International Union for Conservation of Nature. The main objective of IUCN is to promote international cooperation and provide scientific knowledge and tools to aid conservation action. It established the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species in 1964. Great Indian Bustard also comes under CITES Appendix First. CITES is an international agreement between government with the objective of the preservation of planet's plants and animal by ensuring that the international trade in their specimens does not threaten their survival. Great Indian Bustard also get protection under Schedule 1st of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Great Indian Bustard is locally called Godawan, which is a large territorial bird of grassland. Its habitat consists of large landscape of dry grassland and scrub. The Great Indian Bustard with largest wingspan is unable to save itself from the human population as they are on the brink of extinction. The Great Indian Bustard is falling dead after colliding with overhead power lines running through Desert National Park and surrounding areas. Keoladev National Park. This is the location of Keoladev National Park in India. Keoladev National Park or Keoladev Ghana National Park, formerly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, is located in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. It is a famous avifauna sanctuary that hosts thousands of birds, especially during the winter season. It was declared a protected sanctuary in 1982. It is also a World Heritage Site. Keoladev National Park was formerly known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a bird paradise. It is a man-made wetland area. The earlier ruler of this area, Surajmal, flooded this area by building Ajan Bund. The Keoladev National Park contains 10 artificial lagoons. One of the most famous bird species visiting this area in the winter season is critically endangered Siberian crane. Ranthambore National Park. This is the location of Ranthambore National Park. Ranthambore National Park is situated in Savai Madhopur district of Rajasthan. It became National Park in 1980. The Ranthambore National Protected Area got its name from the Ranthambore Fort located inside the protected area. After the launch of Project Tiger in 1973, Ranthambore became a tiger reserve. In 1980, 274 square kilometer area of this reserve was declared a national park. Ranthambore National Park is located at the junction of two famous mountain ranges, the Aravalli and the Vindhya Hill Range. It is also home to a good population of leopard. Other animals found here are striped hyenas, jackal, black buck, chinkara, cheetal, sambhar, nilgai, rhesus macaque. Sariska Tiger Reserve. This is the location of Sariska Tiger Reserve. Sariska Tiger Reserve is a national park and tiger reserve located in Alwar district of Rajasthan. The reserve was declared a national park in 1990. Sariska has all three protective areas: Tiger Reserve, National Park, and Wildlife Sanctuary. Sariska is located in Aravalli Ranges. That is why it is rich in mineral resources, especially copper. Though the Supreme Court of India has banned the mining activities in this area, marble mining is still rampant in this zone of Aravalli Ranges. Sariska is famous for its Bengal tiger. Now there are plenty of tigers in Sariska National Park. Now we will see national parks of West Bengal. Singlila National Park. This is the location of Singlila National Park. Singlila National Park is located in Singlila Ridge in Darjeeling district of West Bengal. The park was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 1986 and was made an Indian national park in 1992. Singlila National Park, situated on the India-Nepal border, is one of the best locations to find elusive red panda. Buxa National Park. This is the location of Buxa National Park in India. Buxa National Park is located in Alipurduar district of West Bengal. Buxa National Park is located in the Buxa Hills of the southern hilly area of Bhutan. Buxa Tiger Reserve is famous for its dense forest and the iconic Buxa Fort. The animals found in Buxa National Park are Asian elephants, gaur, wild buffalo, hog deer. Gorumara National Park. This is the location of Gorumara National Park. Gorumara National Park is located in Jalpaiguri district of West Bengal. Gorumara National Park is famous for its good population of one-horned Indian rhinoceros. Gorumara was declared a reserve forest in 1895 and in 1949 it was given a status of a wildlife sanctuary. Neora Valley National Park. This is the location of Neora Valley National Park. Neora Valley National Park is situated in Kalimpong district of West Bengal. It was established in 1986. It is one of the richest biological zones in the entire eastern India. Neora Valley National Park is home to several endemic orchids. Animals found in Neora Valley National Park are clouded leopard, red panda, musk deer, black bear, leopard, sambar, siro, goral. The Neora River is the major water source for Kalimpong town. Sundarban National Park. This is the location of Sundarban National Park in India. Sundarban National Park is located in South 24 Pargana district of West Bengal. Sundarban National Park is a national park, tiger reserve and biosphere reserve. In 1984, it was declared a national park. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site inscribed in 1987. It is considered as World Network of Biosphere Reserve from 2001. The Sundarban is important for globally endangered species Royal Bengal tiger. The Sundarban National Park also includes globally endangered Gange or Irrawaddy dolphins. Some of the other animals of Sundarban National Park are estuarine crocodiles, critically endangered endemic river terrapin. It is the only mangrove habitat in the world for Panthera tigris species. The Sundarbans cover 10,000 square kilometers of land and water. More than half of it is in India, the rest in Bangladesh. It contains the world's largest area of mangrove forest. Jaldapara National Park. This is the location of Jaldapara National Park in India. Jaldapara National Park is located in Alipurduar district of West Bengal. Jaldapara National Park is situated at the foothills of the eastern Himalayas on the bank of river Torsa. In 2012, it was declared national park. Jaldapara is a paradise for bird watchers. It is one of the very few places in India where the Bengal florican is sighted. The other birds to be found here are crested eagle, Pallas fishing eagle, shikra bird, jungle fowl, peafowl, partridges, Bengal florican, and lesser-pied hornbill. Now we will see National Park of Madhya Pradesh. Bandhavgarh National Park. This is the location of Bandhavgarh National Park. Bandhavgarh National Park is one of the popular national parks in India located in Umaria district of Madhya Pradesh. It was declared national park in 1968. The density of tiger population at Bandhavgarh National Park is one of the highest known in India. Bandhavgarh National Park is located in eastern Satpura Hill Range. The Bandhavgarh Fort is located inside the Bandhavgarh National Park. Mythologically, the name Bandhavgarh means Bandhav, that is brother, and Garh, that is fort. This fort was built and given to Lakshman by Lord Rama to keep an eye on Sri Lanka. The density of tigers in Bandhavgarh National Park is one of the highest in India. The park also has high population of leopards. The tigress Sita, which was once featured in the famous National Geographic magazine, is also found in the Bandhavgarh National Park. Mandala Plant Fossil National Park. This is the location of Mandala Plant Fossil National Park. Mandala Plant Fossil National Park is also called as Dindori Plant Fossil National Park. It is located in Dindori district of Madhya Pradesh. It was established in the year 1983. This national park is famous for its fossil remains. Plant in fossil form dated to 40 to 150 million years ago exist in this park. Kanha Tiger Reserve. This is the location of Kanha Tiger Reserve. Kanha Tiger Reserve, also called Kanha National Park, is located in Mandla and Balaghat district of Madhya Pradesh. It is one of the tiger reserve in India and the largest national park of Madhya Pradesh. Kanha National Park was created in 1955 and in 1973 it was made the Kanha Tiger Reserve. Kanha National Park is situated in Maikal range of Satpura. The state animal of Madhya Pradesh, the hard-ground Barasingha, is found exclusively in Kanha Tiger Reserve. Major species are hard-ground Barasingha, tiger, leopard, dhole, bear, gaur. The lush green forest of Kanha are composed majorly of sal tree, Shorea robusta, and other mixed forest trees. Mandhav National Park. This is the location of Mandhav National Park in India. Mandhav National Park is situated in Shivpuri district of Madhya Pradesh. It was established in 1958. It is situated in the central highlands of India, intersecting with the upper part of the Vindhya Hills. Sakhya Sagar and Mandhav Sagar are the two crucial lakes in the national park. Sakhya Sagar Lake has an abundant population of marsh crocodiles. Major species found here are Nilgai, Chinkara, Chausingha, Sambhar, Cheetal, barking deer, leopards, jackals, marsh crocodiles, turtles. Panna National Park. This is the location of Panna National Park. Panna National Park is located in Panna and Chhattarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. It was established in 1981. It was declared Tiger Reserve in 1994. It became Biosphere Reserve in 2011. It is located in the Vindhya Hills in northern Madhya Pradesh. This land is full of plateaus and gorges. The Ken River flows through this terrain. Panna National Park is bounded north by the teak forest and east by the teak Kardhai forest. Major species of Panna National Park are tiger, leopard, hyena, wild dog, sloth bear, chausingha, sambhar, the largest Indian deer, and blue bull. White-necked stork is found in Panna National Park. Pench National Park. This is the location of Pench National Park. Pench National Park is located in Sioni and Chhindwara district of Madhya Pradesh and Nagpur district of Maharashtra. It was raised to the status of national park in 1975. In 1992, it was established as a tiger reserve. The park is famous for rafting. The Pench National Park is mentioned in famous natural history books such as Aine Akbari. Rudyard Kipling famous book Jungle Book is based on the Pench National Park and its surrounding areas. Some of the trees found in Pench National Park are teak, mahua tree, palash tree, plum, Tendu, Saja. Some of the important animals are tiger, leopard, jackal, fox, wolf, gaur, nilgai, sambar, cheetal, chinkara. Various migratory birds also found shelter in Pench National Park, such as pintail, ruddy shelduck, whistling teal. Satpura National Park. This is the location of Satpura National Park in India. Satpura National Park, also known as Satpura Tiger Reserve, is located in Hoshangabad district of Madhya Pradesh. It was established in 1981. Satpura National Park is located to the south of the river Narmada. The Satpura Tiger Reserve was the first biosphere reserve in Madhya Pradesh and was declared in 1999. Major species are tiger, giant squirrel, Indian skimmer, leaf-nosed bat, Madhya Pradesh state bird flycatcher, that is Dudhraj. Satpura National Park is located on the Panchmadhi Plateau, which consists of dense teak forest and sal forest. Van Vihar National Park. This is the location of Van Vihar National Park. Van Vihar National Park is located in Bhopal, the capital city of Madhya Pradesh. Van Vihar is developed and managed as modern zoological park. It was declared a national park in 1979. The Van Vihar National Park has a road passing through it, allowing easy passage for visitors. Sanjay National Park. This is the location of Sanjay National Park in India. Sanjay National Park is located in Sindhi and Singrauli district of Madhya Pradesh and Korea district of Chhattisgarh. It was established in 1981. Sanjay National Park is also known as Sanjay Dubri National Park. Mohan, the world's most famous white tiger, was found here. He was later bred to the tigress Radha, and most white tigers present around the globe now are their progeny. Sanjay National Park was carved into two when Chhattisgarh came into existence in 2000. The area which went to Chhattisgarh administration is now known as Guru Ghasidas National Park. Tigers and elephants are found in Sanjay National Park. Now we will see national parks in Chhattisgarh. Indravati National Park. This is the location of Indravati National Park. Indravati National Park is located in Bijapur district of Chhattisgarh. It was established in 1975. Indravati National Park is the finest and most famous wildlife park of Chhattisgarh. The park derives its name from Indravati River, which flows from east to west and forms the northern boundary of the reserve with the Indian state of Maharashtra. It is home to one of the last population of rare wild buffalo. Kutru National Park is another name for Indravati National Park. Kanger Ghati National Park. This is the location of Kanger Ghati National Park in India. Kanger Ghati National Park, also called Kanger Valley National Park, was declared a national park in 1982. Kanger Valley National Park is in the Bastar region of Chhattisgarh. Kanger Ghati National Park, also called Kanger Valley National Park, was declared a national park in 1982 by the Government of India. It is the home of the Bastar Hill Maina, the state bird of Chhattisgarh. In the eastern part of National Park, the Bhaisa Dhara is located, where one can see sandy beaches where crocodiles mostly found. The Kenjhar Dhara and Bhaisa Dhara are famous for Crocodile Park. Tirathgarh waterfall is located in Kanger Valley National Park. Now we will see National Park of Jharkhand. Betla National Park. This is the location of Betla National Park in India. Betla National Park is located in Chota Nagpur Plateau in Lethar and Palamu district of Jharkhand. It was established in 1989. One of the India's first national park to reserve tiger under the Project Tiger was Betla. National parks in Odisha. Bhitarkanika National Park. This is the location of Bhitarkanika National Park in India. Bhitarkanika National Park is located in Kendrapara district of Odisha. It was designated as National Park in 1998 and it became a Ramsar site in 2002. What is meaning of Ramsar site? A Ramsar site is a wetland site designated to be of international importance. These wetlands are protected under strict guidelines of the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands. Bhitarkanika is a spectacular national park of India endowed with the largest biodiversity of mangrove species. The Bhitarkanika National Park mangrove forest is the second largest mangroves in India. Mangroves of Brahmani and Baitarni Delta of Kendrapara district have been declared as Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary. Bhitarkanika National Park is located in the estuary of Brahmani, Baitarni, Dhamra and Mahanadi river systems. Bhitarkanika National Park is home to the largest population of endangered saltwater crocodiles in India. Some of the animals found in Bhitarkanika National Park are leopard cat, hyena, wild boar, dolphin, water monitor lizards, and terrapin. Some of the birds are bar-headed geese, Brahmani duck, pintail, tern, seagulls, waders. Simlipal National Park. This is the location of Simlipal National Park in India. Simlipal National Park is a tiger reserve which is located in Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. It is the second largest national park in India. It is a part of UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserve since 2009. It was established in 1980. Simlipal is a tiger reserve in Mayurbhanj district. It is a part of Mayurbhanj Elephant Reserve. Simlipal National Park derived its name from the abundance of red silk cotton trees growing in the areas. Simlipal is famous for tigers and elephants. Barehi Pani Falls is the two-tiered waterfall located in Simlipal National Park. It is one of the highest waterfalls in India. Now we will see all national parks in Gujarat. Vansada National Park. This is the location of Vansada National Park in India. Vansada National Park is located in Dang and Navsari district of Gujarat. It is also known as Bansada National Park. It is a protected area which represents the thick woodlands of Gujarat. It was established in 1979 as a national park. Vansada National Park has abundance of reptiles like python, venomous snake like Russell's viper, cobras, karats. The Vansada National Park is famous for biodiversity of flora and fauna, especially for birds which have become extremely rare species such as Indian great black woodpecker, hard-spotted woodpecker, lesser golden backed woodpecker, grey hornbill, spotted munia, racket-tailed drongo, pheasant-tailed jacana. Towering trees and orchids form a variety of flora. Some of the trees found here are teak, sadad, bamboo, dudhlo. Important animals found in the park are leopard, rhesus macaque, wild boar, four-horned antelope, barking deer. Important birds are Indian great black woodpecker, yellow-back sunbird, pompodder pigeon. Blackbuck National Park. This is the location of Blackbuck National Park in India. Blackbuck National Park is situated in Bhavnagar district of Gujarat. It was established in 1976 in the Bhal region of Saurashtra. The prime goals of this protected area are to conserve the most prominent surviving herds of blackbuck. Indian grey wolf is found here. The lesser florican is also found in Blackbuck National Park. Important animals found in the park are blackbuck, blue bull, wolf, jackal, jungle cat, fox. Important birds found in the park are lesser florican, Hobara bustard, white stork, harriers, sarus crane. Gir Forest National Park. This is the location of Gir Forest National Park in India. Gir Forest National Park or Gir National Park is located in Gir Somnath district of Gujarat. It is also known as Sasan Gir. It is a forest and wildlife sanctuary. It was established in 1965. The entire area is divided into two subdivisions called Gir East and Gir West. The Gir National Park in Gujarat is the only place in the world where we can see Asian lions. Some important species found here are teak, dudhlo, khair, bear, desi babool. Some of the important species found here are lion, that is Asiatic lion, leopard, hyena, cheetal, sambar, blue bull and chausingha. Marine National Park. This is the location of Marine National Park in India. Marine National Park in the Gulf of Kutch is situated on the southern shore of the Gulf of Kutch in the Devbhoomi Dwarka district of Gujarat. In 1982, it was declared Marine National Park under the provision of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. India is lined with a 7,500 kilometer long coastline. Among the Indian maritime states, Gujarat state has the longest coastline extending to 1600 kilometer. It is one of the few coastal zones in the world having a rich biodiversity. The mangroves of the Gulf are the second largest after Sundarbans in the mainland of India. The Gulf of Kutch is the only place left along the Indian coast after the Gulf of Mannar where the live corals occur, although dead corals are plenty. What are corals? A hard stony substance secreted by certain marine coelacanths as an external skeleton, typically forming large reefs in warm seas. Mangroves and corals make the Gulf of Kutch a preferred zone for breeding by many marine organisms. Gulf of Kutch was the first marine national park and sanctuary established in India in the year 1982 under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Mangroves can play a crucial role in marine life conservation as mangrove swamps are considered nursery and shelter grounds for prawns, fishes, birds, and a host of other marine life. Sea anemones are also found in Marine National Park. Sea anemone is a sedentary marine coelacanth with a columnar body which bears a ring of stinging tentacles around the mouth. Jellyfish, seahorse, octopus, pearl oyster, Portuguese man of war, starfish, Bonilla, sepia, lobster, crabs, sea turtle, dolphin, dugong, porpoise, shark are some marine animals which are found in Marine National Park. Now we will see National Park of Maharashtra. Chandoli National Park. This is the location of Chandoli National Park. Chandoli National Park is a natural World Heritage Site. It is located in Satara, Kolhapur and Sangli district of Maharashtra. It was established in 2004. Animals found in Chandoli National Park are tiger, leopard, Indian bison, sloth bear, giant squirrel. Gugamal National Park. This is the location of Gugamal National Park. Gugamal National Park is located in Amravati district of Maharashtra. It was built in 1974. It is a part of Melghat Tiger Reserve. Melghat Tiger Reserve is predominantly inhabited by Korku tribes. The Melghat Tiger Reserve forms catchment to Tapi and Purna river systems. Animals found in Gugamal National Park are tiger and endangered gaur, wild dogs, jackal, bear, leopard, caracal, rattle. The reserve is also very rich in avifauna with recently rediscovered forest spotted owlet. Ecologically sensitive animals like flying squirrel is abundantly seen here. Navegaon National Park. This is the location of Navegaon National Park in India. Navegaon National Park is located in Gondia district of Maharashtra. It was established in 1975. The park has special habitats like caves and cliff. The most important habitat in the park is the Navegaon Lake, home to many bird species. Several migratory birds such as grey-leg goose, red-crested pochard, gargani, Eurasian curlew, black-tailed godwit, common red shank, little stint, curlew, and sandpiper found here. Tiger, leopard, wild dog, hyena, cheetal, and nilgai also found here. Sanjay Gandhi National Park. This is the location of Sanjay Gandhi National Park in India. Sanjay Gandhi National Park is near Mumbai in Maharashtra. It was formerly known as Borivali National Park. It was established in 1996. The two lakes of the park, Tulsi and Vihar, which cover an area of approximately 8.5 square kilometer. The national park can be divided into two other areas called the Borivali area and the Thane area. The growing human casualties in attack by leopard of the Sanjay Gandhi National Park highlights the increasing urban pressure on the park. Leopards, barking deer, rock gecko, Indian chameleon, common sand boa, birds like osprey and reptiles along with marsh crocodile and Indian monitor are also found in Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Tadoba National Park. This is the location of Tadoba National Park in India. Tadoba National Park is located in Chandrapur district of Maharashtra. It is Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park. Tadoba National Park was created in 1955. Andhari is the main river in the Tadoba National Park. Animals found here are Royal Bengal tiger, leopard, Indian gaur, Indian giant squirrel. Pench National Park. This is the location of Pench National Park in India. Pench National Park is located in Nagpur district of Maharashtra and Sioni and Chhindwara district of Madhya Pradesh. Pench was declared as the 25th Tiger Project in the year 1999. In 1975, it was declared as Pench National Park. Pench National Park derived its name from Pench River that runs through this reserve in a north-south direction. The Pench National Park is mentioned in famous natural history books such as Aine-Akbari. Rudyard Kipling famous book Jungle Book is based on Pench National Park and its surrounding areas. Some of the trees found here are teak, mahua, palash, plume, tendu, saja. Animals like tiger, leopard, jackal, fox, wolf, gaur, nilgai, sambar, cheetal and chinkara found here. Various migratory birds also found shelter in Pench National Park such as pintail, ruddy shelduck, whistling teal. Now we will see National Park of Karnataka. Nagarhole National Park. This is the location of Nagarhole National Park. Nagarhole National Park, also known as Rajiv Gandhi National Park, is a national park located in Kodagu district and Mysore district in Karnataka. It is the part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It was established in 1988. Nagarhole National Park is a part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. The park is backed by the Brahmagiri Mountains and filled with sandalwood and teak trees. Kabini River flows from Nagarhole National Park. Nagarhole National Park is home to tigers, Asian elephant and variety of birds. It is having good number of elephants. Nagarhole was included in Project Elephant in year 2000. Nagarhole National Park is the critical tiger habitat of Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. Nagarhole National Park acts as an eastward connection to Brahmagiri Ridge which further merges in north with Talakaveri Wildlife Sanctuary, which ultimately joins with Kudremukh Bhadra landscape. To the southeast, it connects large forested tract of Bandipur Tiger Reserve of Karnataka and Mudumalai Tiger Reserve of Tamil Nadu. To southwestern side, it connects with Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary of Kerala. The entire Nagarhole, Bandipur, Mudumalai, Wayanad Conservation Unit holds single largest source population of tigers in the world. Anshi National Park. This is the location of Anshi National Park in India. Anshi National Park or Anshi Tiger Reserve is located in Uttar Kannada district of Karnataka. Anshi National Park was recently renamed as Kali Tiger Reserve as mostly surrounding Kali River. It was established in 1987. Animals found in Anshi National Park are Bengal tigers, black panthers, and Indian elephants. Bandipur National Park. This is the location of Bandipur National Park in India. Bandipur National Park is located in Chamarajnagar district and Mysore district of Karnataka. It is a part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is one of the premier tiger reserves. It was established in 1974. The Bandipur, Nagarhole, Mudumalai and Wayanad complex is home to single largest Asian elephant population in the world. The tiger and the elephants are the flagship and umbrella species that this ecosystem represent. Bandipur National Park is one of the richest wildlife areas in India. Some animals which are found here are muntjac or barking deer, cheetal, sambar, chausingha, gaur, three large predatory carnivores, tiger, leopard and dholes. Bannerghatta National Park. This is the location of Bannerghatta National Park in India. Bannerghatta National Park is located in Bengaluru Urban District and Ramnagar District of Karnataka. It was founded in 1970 and declared a national park in 1974. Bannerghatta National Park is inhabited by India's largest land mammal, Asian elephants. Kudremukh National Park. This is the location of Kudremukh National Park in India. Kudremukh National Park is located in Chikmagaluru district of Karnataka. It was established in 1987. Kudremukh National Park got its name from the highest hill peak, Kudremukh Peak. The name of the peak, meaning horse face, is due to its appearance seawards. Kudremukh National Park have the single largest contiguous population of lion-tailed macaque in entire world. Kudremukh have tropical wet evergreen forest and have population of top 3 carnivores like tiger, leopard and wild dogs. National Park in Goa. Bhagwan Mahavir National Park or Mollem National Park. This is the location of Mollem National Park in India. Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary and Mollem National Park is located in Western Ghats of South India, in Goa. It was established in 1978. National Highway 4A passes through the Bhagwan Mahavir or Mollem National Park. Mormagaon Londa railway line also passes through this area. The famous Dudhsagar Falls also lie in the Mollem National Park. Some of the animals found in Mollem National Park are leopards including black leopard, tigers, sloth bear, gaur, barking deer, sambhar. Now we will see National Park in Telangana. Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park. This is the location of Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park. Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, also known as Chiran Fort Palace, is a national park located in Jubilee Hills in Hyderabad. It was declared national park in 1998. Some of the animals which are found in Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park are pangolin, small Indian civet, peacock, jungle cat and porcupines. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park. This is the location of Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park is a deer national park located in Hyderabad. It was established in 1975. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park is a deer national park located in Hyderabad. It is spread over 3,605 acres. It is the largest green lung space in the city of Hyderabad. Mahavir Harina Vanasthali National Park is particularly known for being a home for endangered animal species black buck deer. This deer is called Krishna Jinka in local language. Mrugavani National Park. This is the location of Mrugavani National Park. Mrugavani National Park is a national park located in Hyderabad. It was declared a national park in 1994. The animals which are found here are cheetal, sambhar, wild boar, civet cat, mongoose, monitor lizard, more than 100 species of birds including warblers, peacocks, lapwings, flower peckers are found here.